Odette here, and welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in today. I have a Boxy Charm unboxing for you guys. Now, this is the box. Look at the size of this thing. And to be honest with you, I am not quite sure if this is the Luxe box or premium. I don't know, but when I saw the size of this thing, I thought, you know what, girl, just go ahead and open it up already, all right? So I took a peek. I did not take anything out, so we are going to see for the first time what's in here. It is a big box. Oh, it's the Boxy Luxe box. How come it's so big this time? I think my last Boxy Luxe was not this big. This is it, guys. This is it. Okay, so we are going to open this up and see what we've got inside. And this is a Boxy Luxe Spring 2022. Looks like we've got a lot of stuff in here. I did not read the card. I've just seen the card for the first time. And let's just start pulling things out. The first thing I'm going to be looking at here is, oh, Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $48. Oh, not bad. The colors are very pretty. I don't have anything from Natasha Denona because I know her eyeshadow palettes are very expensive, and this is it right here. I love the packaging, quite cute, very nice, and the retail price, oh my god. Do you want to guess what the price of this little palette is from Natasha Denona? $48 is the retail price for this. Quite expensive. And the next thing I do have here is Ionic London. And this is the multi-use sculpting palette. Retails for $49. And here it be. Ooh, love the packaging. Really cute. Let's see if I can open this up for you guys. Oh my god. Holy smoke. Look at the packaging, guys. Oh my goodness. The packaging is very pretty. Let me see if we can open this up for you guys. Is it sealed? Ooh. Look at that. Holy smoke. This is very pretty. Multi-use sculpting palette. The thing is too, I don't sculpt because I don't know how to do it. But the colors in here are really pretty. I think I'm gonna have to practice on myself on how to sculpt the jawline. I just don't know how to do that. But the packaging is quite cute. I don't want to blind you guys because I do have my ring light on. And yeah, I can see the retail price for this being $48. Wow. Really, really nice. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, what is this? The original makeup eraser. It has a little thingy here. I have no idea what this is. The original makeup eraser. What is this? It retails for $25. It's some kind of a travel kit. Let's see what this is. Did you guys get this in your Boxy Luxe or whatever? Oh, what is this? Oh, you do. Oh, it's like a sleep mask. Is that what it is? I don't even know what the hell this is. Let me just take a look. This is the original makeup eraser Road Less Travel 7-day set. Okay, so I guess you can use this to remove your makeup. And I thought it was something you have to put over your eyes if you're going to be traveling. So I guess you can use this to remove your makeup. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got 7 of them in here. Okay, so I guess it's good for travel. And there we be. And so the retail price on this little kit is $25, which is not bad. I'm just seeing everything for the first time, guys, okay? Okay, next I have this Liquid Glass Miracle Soothing Sealant. And this is, oh, it's just a fight frizzy hair. It's like a hairspray. And this retails for $34. I guess you can just spray this. Oh, it smells really nice. Oh my God. I'm just spraying this on my wig today. Ooh. It smells wonderful. Oh my God. And this is one of those little frizz fighter, and you can spray this on your hair to remove all of the frizz. And this retails for $34. It smells really, really, really nice. This is Complex Culture Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist, a botanical powerhouse clinically proven to protect skin from harmful effects of HEV blue light rays. And here is the packaging. Let's just see if we can open this up. This retails for $32. Oops. And here it is. Very nice packaging. Lovely. Never heard of these brands before, but it's always nice to have. Next, I do have this Big Mama here. And this is the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator from Frank's Body. And this retails for $19.95. Oh my God, look at that. It looks like a coffee cup. But frizz coffee. How do you open this thing? Oh my God. What is, oh. It does smell like coffee. Wow, this is it right here, guys. This is the packaging. Really, really cute. I love that. You can use this for storage when it's empty. And yeah, Frank's Body Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. Whatever you need to sculpt, I guess you can use this. That's what this is, I'm assuming. Let's just leave that in here. Next, we do have Clean AF. This is Lawlwss, it's called. It says Forget the Filter Lip Plumping Soothing Gloss. So I just need to open this up. I'm just going to try and open this up quickly. I don't like to use anything to make my lips bigger. I really don't. My lips are already big enough, and I don't think I need to make them a little bit more plump. Pointless. Okay, there it be. But we're gonna use it, and I'm gonna see how I like it. And the last thing I see here is from Ren, and this is Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, and this retails for $49. Oh my God, they are so expensive. And this is the product right here. Let me just see if I can put a little bit of this on my hand to see if it's scented. Doesn't seem to be scented at all. Maybe just slightly. Just a little scent. Not too bad. It's very creamy though. Really nice. But you know what, guys? I have to say, I am really extremely pleased with these products. Let me see how many things you've got in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in this Boxy Charm Luxe box. This is amazing. So you do have the eye cream here from Ren. This is the Lawlwss Beauty Lip Plumping Gloss. This is the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. And you do have this Complex Culture Facial Mist. You do have your makeup remover. Right here, you've got 7 of them in here. You do have the Liquid Glass Miracle Soothing Sealant. You do have the iconic London Multi-Use Sculpting Palette. And then you do have this eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. So this is incredibly amazing. I am really, really pleased. And funny, I was thinking to myself just the other day, should I cancel this Boxy charm now, or should I just keep it for just a little bit? But every time I want to cancel and then I get my box, I'm really pleased with everything. So I am going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to try the Boxy Charm. But I think you have to get the base box first before you can get the Boxy Luxe or the Boxy Premium. I don't think I've had the Boxy Premium yet, but this is the Boxy Luxe. I'm gonna probably try the Premium and see what's in there, and then I'm probably gonna cancel. But I think I'm gonna hold on to the subscription just for now. Who knows? And I may just do a giveaway. Anywho, this is the end of today's video. I do hope you guys enjoy watching this unboxing today. Boxy Luxe, you do have a lot of things in this box. I mean, look at that, 8 full-size beauty items that came in here. I'm really impressed with them. And of course, most of you already know that the Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription, and you can keep it for however long you want. Some people are on Boxy Charm for years, but I'm not gonna keep it for that long. Anywho, thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall catch you guys next time. Toodles. Bye.